Hey guys, this is Biswajit, your instructor. Since few days I am hearing a common statement from my students, colleagues and from the client that they want to work on microservices and containers. So they want to learn Kubernetes and OpenShift. I'm pretty sure you are also interested to learn Kubernetes and OpenShift. So I highly recommend to learn Kubernetes before learning OpenShift. Now, to learn Kubernetes, you need a Kubernetes cluster. Now the major challenge everybody is facing while deploying a Kubernetes cluster is the resource. They do not have enough resource on their laptop. So let me introduce, you can create your own local Kubernetes cluster by using Minikube. Only you require a 2 GB RAM, 2 or more CPU and at least 20 or more than 20 GB of memory and a virtual machine.
So let's get started. So I'll assume you are aware of the process of how to create a virtual machine. So kindly create a virtual machine, or if you already have a virtual machine, start that machine. So right now I'm creating a new virtual machine for this. So this will gonna take some time. So I'll fast forward this process. Once your virtual machine is ready, kindly log into the virtual machine with the root user. Use a SSH client to log in. Now I am using MobaXterm, so I'll open MobaXterm right now. Once you are logged in, create a user. You can name it any user, but I am naming it as mini user. Now make sure the user has a sudo privilege. So add it into the sudoers file. Once done, download the RPM file of the Minikube. Once your Minikube is downloaded, install the RPM file of your Minikube. Now it is important to download the kubectl binary. So we are downloading that. Now download the kubectl checksum file. Then verify the kubectl binary is okay. Now copy the kubectl command to USR local bin and verify with the kubectl version command. You can also use kubectl version -- client to view only the client version. Now switch to the mini user and run minikube start. So this will pull the images from the registry. So this will gonna take some time. So I'm fast forwarding this step. Now run kubectl get pod -A to see all the pods running in all the namespaces. Kubectl get namespace will show me the available namespaces. So I want to create a new namespace, so named hello mini. Now, so here is my namespace. Now I want to search a HTTPD image. So Podman search HTTPD will show us the available images. By using the CentOS image, I'll be creating a deployment. So use kubectl deployment, then the deployment name, then --image URL, then -n for the namespace. This will create a new deployment in the hello mini namespace. Now you can see I have the pod running, but I do not have a service. So now I want to create a service to this specific deployment. Now I don't have any service in hello mini project. So I have to expose the deployment to create this service. Use kubectl expose command to create a service. So I am creating a node port with the port of 80. There's a spelling mistake in the deployment. Kubectl get svc will show us the new svc. Now use kubectl port forward command to forward the traffic of your local server 8080 to the pods port number 80. There's a mistake. Now open your browser so that you can see the page hosted.